Waiting by the side of the road again. Heidi's got the car. So I'm gonna hop on the bus. Right there. Downtown. It's not as busy as I'd expected, but oh well. It's about 3:30. So look, I made it home out in the garage. And I'm looking for my roof racks, the crossbars, to put on the car. Because the ones from Saab will fit on the car. I just have to find them. I think they're up there. Now where's my ladder? They're not down over there. I think they're up here. Find out momentarily. Flashlight. Found them. So, this is them. I taped them up so they don't disappear or get separated. Okay, let's go put these on the car. I'll take the tape off first. Ah, yes, I recall now. One of these broke. I think it's this one. Let's fix that before we go. Yep. Glue. Okay, the key. This one simply came out. So I'm going to use a little crazy glue and we'll put that back in. This is the open one. Never open crazy glue facing yourself. Always point it away. And always point it away when you squeeze it, because it can shoot out really quickly. Let's see here. There we go. That's in. Good enough. Silicone lubricant. So I want to put these on so I can go pick up some stuff. Put it on the roof of the car. Makes sense, eh? Broken one. That's perfect. Need to get some tie-down straps and throw them in the car. And I'm ready for taking stuff, haul it around. Here's my mats that I washed the other day. There's still water in them. Gonna move them in the garage here. We're expecting 19 millimeters of rain tomorrow. So that's 19 millimeters is it's not really a lot. It's about 3/4 of an inch, if that. 5/8 maybe. Here, let's take a look. I got a tape measure with both. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it's not that much. It's 1/2 an inch. Hang on, 19 millimeters is 3/4 of an inch. So, not a whole lot of rain, but I still don't want those mats to get wet. So, we'll bring them in, hang them in here, and just let them drip dry in here. It's not going to hurt anything. Yeah, let's do that. Now, these ones have got a little discolored. I wonder if I can get rid of that color. I have to shake these out. Got some special carpet cleaning stuff here somewhere that what I've done with it. Might be in the house, but it's supposed to be really good and maybe hopefully get rid of this this yellowing. You can't really see it here though. Well, can't hurt to rub it in and let it sit. See if it'll do anything differently. It's not up there, not over there. I think it's under the sink. Gonna go check. Carpet cleaner. Sponge. Scrub brush. I don't know if it's any different. Gonna let that sit. This carpet cleaner gig is a lot about getting the stain to go down into the carpet. You see the lines from, I power washed these. Hi, sweetie. Yeah, I'll come in. Can I what? Yes, I'll do the meatballs. We're having noodles with meatballs. Again, I don't know. How's that look? Well, we're just gonna let it sit and dry out. I think I'll do it. I need another clamp. I better go in and get those noodles going. Those are all right there. Not gonna drip onto anything. Pull it out just to be sure. Okay. Let's go have supper. I've got to go pant shopping. Look at my bum.
Woo! A little spot for your tail to come out.
Yeah.
Do you know what?
Meatballs. Yum. So I'm going to get take some of the straps out of here, which is the Volvo. I've got extra mittens and extra straps in this pocket. I'm going to put them in the back of the car. Find a key. Okay. I'm wondering if I should. I'll just leave that stuff there. It'll be fine. I was going to put it underneath, but it doesn't need to go underneath. Not yet, because I'm going to strap something to the roof in the next day or two. Okay. Nothing in the mail. Car's still here. Oh. I'm going to get my broken phone holder and fix that. Got this to fix, and this is the piece here. So I think I'm going to just plastic weld something to that on a 90, if I can find something that's a 90, or epoxy something there. That might work a little better if I epoxied it. Let's see what I got here. I wonder. Keep looking. That's some type of tool. Oh. The first thing I'm going to do is crazy glue this onto there, just to get it on. The crazy glue is not near strong enough to hold it. It'll get it in place. And I'm going to epoxy that one piece on there. I'm going to adjust this on the vise. I'm just going to pound it flat. That spot there. Fitment. This has to be a little bit tighter. There we go. That's the fitment I want. Let's mix up some stuff. Here's my two-part epoxy. I keep it in a bag because it leaks. This will be the end of this one. I busted the end right off of it. So let's okay. This has to be mixed really well. Oh yeah, it's hard. See how it's going white? I want it to go white so it shows that it's mixed. That means getting out to the edges of the puddle of this stuff. Let's try this camera angle. I have to have the phone plugged in, my battery's dying pretty quickly. So, stuff like taffy. Install our piece. Push it in. And I'm just going to cover it with epoxy. So this is just going to sit here. I'm going to wrap it with tape to try and negate the flow of epoxy. I'm just going to let that sit like that. It can stay out here. The garage isn't heated, and it's going down to I think -8 tonight. So, this will take a few days to dry. But that's it. That's how you epoxy your camera or phone holder thing up. I think I'll probably just use this one in the shop and keep the other one in the car. I've got to find some more of these or another alternative to these things, because these things break too easily. Well, I think that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. So, thank you very much for watching. Please click the subscribe button, click the like button, click the bell thing. Tell your mom. Thanks.